Before the oil, there were pearls. Until the 1930s, Bahrain's economy was based almost entirely on exporting these precious gems. Now, Bahrain's government is eager to show off its heritage, but there's another long-term plan.
The idea behind the whole project is also to make pearling a sustainable economy for Bahrain once again.
Analysts say Bahrain urgently needs to diversify its economy. The oil price has plunged from $120 a barrel in 2014 to around $40 today. The ratings agency Moody's has downgraded its outlook for Bahrain's economy to junk status.
Oman and Bahrain, where there's going to have to be an enormous fiscal squeeze over the next couple of years, and growth there is going to be extremely weak. On top of that, there's political concerns in both countries.
In Saudi Arabia, oil provides around 80% of total income, but that revenue has halved in the past 2 years. The government is running a huge budget deficit of 15% and is reported to be seeking a bank loan of $8 billion. But Tuvi says the country is not in imminent danger.
The Saudi authorities built up their buffers over the past decade while oil prices were high, paid down debt as well. So they're now in a position of relative strength in order to cope with low oil prices, at least compared with other producers such as Russia and Nigeria.
As a leading member of the OPEC cartel, Saudi Arabia has the power to cut production and boost oil prices. But at the last OPEC meeting, Riyadh chose to freeze production levels.
We don't want significant gyrations in prices. We don't want reduction in supply. We want to meet demand, and we want a stable oil price.
Boosting the oil price could in fact undermine Saudi's economy, says Tuvi.
That would just entice shale producers in the US to ramp up production again and threaten Saudi Arabia's long-term position in the market.
Riyadh is trying to reform its economy by cutting wages and encouraging more private sector employment. But in a country so accustomed to oil wealth, analysts say such changes will take many years to implement. Henry Ridgwell for VOA News, London.